In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save Adobe Express file. By the end, you'll know exactly how to open your project, choose the right settings, and download a clean, share-ready file to your computer. Start by opening the Adobe Express app on your computer. If you prefer the browser version, that works too. The process is the same. Make sure you're logged into your Adobe account so your projects and export options are available. If you're not signed in, you may not see your work or the ability to download. Once you're in, look to the left side of the screen. If you already have a project you want to save, click your stuff to open it. If you're starting fresh, choose Start New Design. Then, select New Design to open a blank canvas or a template, alltså. Give the project a moment to load. As you make edits, Adobe Express autosaves, so you don't have to worry about losing changes while you get ready to export. When your design is ready to go, head to the upper right corner of the screen and click Download. This is the command that exports a copy of your project to your computer, separate from the editable version stored in Adobe Express. Next, choose the file format that best fits your needs. For images, PNG is great for high quality and supports transparent backgrounds when that option is available. JPG creates a smaller file that's perfect for web and social media. If you plan to print or share a clean, multi-page layout, PDF is often the best choice. If your project includes motion or animation, select MP4 video or GIF when offered. Depending on the format, you may see helpful options like transparent background, quality, or compression sliders, page selection, or size settings. Pick what makes sense for where the file will be used. After you've set the format and options, click Download. Your file will begin exporting and then saving to your computer. In most cases, it goes straight to your Downloads folder unless you choose a different location. If your browser asks for permission or blocks pop-ups, allow the download so it can complete. It's a good idea to rename the file to something descriptive and, if needed, organize it into the right project folder. That's it. Open the file to double-check quality and you're ready to share, upload, or print. If you need a different version later, just repeat the download steps and pick a new format or quality setting.